The perfect smoky cocktail normally requires fire and hassle. Now there's a better way to elevate your favorite cocktail. I was sent this electric smoker set, and I'm excited to make some cocktails. This set comes with a rechargeable electric smoker, 2 whiskey glasses, metal ice cubes, a spoon, and cleaning brush. This kit includes 6 different types of wood chips, allowing you to experiment and personalize your drinks. To get started, add your wood chips to the smoker, and you're going to close the lid. Add the ice cubes and pour your drink. Place the smoker over the glass, hold the button for 3 seconds, and then touch one more time for the smoke to come out. Click twice to activate the LED light show. The smoker's universal fit makes it perfect for most glass cups and beverages. It's not just for whiskey. Use it to smoke coffee, cheese, or even meats. And don't forget about your reusable ice cubes. They chill your beverage without watering it down. The vibrant built-in LED lights offer 4 modes: purple, red, green, and blue. Perfectly set any mood, from a cozy evening to a lively party. The integrated fan rapidly fills your glass, creating bar-style drama right at home. The electric smoker kit is a unique, functional gift that every cocktail lover will enjoy.